Hello friends and welcome to your very own channel Gyan Neeti. So, highlighting a wall is not restricted to just painting. New age designers have come up with different styles of accentuating a wall. The one colored wall concept is gone, and today you can experience more creative accent wall ideas. There are different varieties of textures, finishes and materials that can be used to highlight a wall. Some of the most popular ones are wallpaper, wood paneling and coloring. So let's find out some creative yet budget friendly accent wall ideas for your home. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so by clicking on the subscribe button right below. So let's get started.
Number 1.
Number 1 is geometric accent wall. The geometric pattern on the wall can be created using painter's tape and paint. All you need to do is create a pattern on the wall using the tape and paint the complete area. As soon as the paint dries up, take off the tape and your accent wall will be ready. Not only this is budget friendly, but the style is pretty much in demand and it will make your space look desirable.
Number 2.
Number 2 is wood palettes on the wall. Paneling is another way of adding texture to your room. It looks sleek and neat and enriches the given space. This type of accent wall can be created using wood panels similar to what is used in wooden flooring. Get the panels fixed on the wall you wish to highlight. Wood panel on the wall creates a warm environment and make the space look stylish. Also, the overall costing will be equal to that of wooden flooring.
Number 3.
Number 3 is 3D wall tiles. From its dimension and texture to its play on light and shadow, there's a lot of love about this captivating style. The best part is that they inject fresh energy, depth and drama in casual and elegant settings alike. With styles for every aesthetic, from bubbly looking glass to wavy ridges to organic shapes, 3D wall tiles are no longer just relegated to the kitchen and bath. And let's not forget their irresistible tactile nature. For a cheaper option, try peel and stick tiles to create an accent wall. There are a lot of patterns available in the market that will make your space look elegant.
Number 4.
Number 4 is stencil on accent wall. The latest designs in wall stencil patterns available in the market can effortlessly help you in styling your home. You can create a beautiful wall by putting these stencils on the wall and coloring it to form a pretty pattern. Try to use bold and bright colors to highlight the pattern. One can also get trendy geometric and Moroccan pattern for a dramatic accent wall. This is also a pocket-friendly option compared to other accent wall ideas.
Number 5.
Number 5 is customized wallpaper. Wallpaper is one of the most common ways of designing an accent wall in your home. It is removable and needs no paste or water. Since wallpaper is a temporary thing, one can replace old wallpaper with a new one whenever they want. With the customized wallpaper option, one can get their favorite design printed on the wallpaper. The price for customized wallpaper depends on the design and the size of the wall.
Number 6.
Number 6 is chalkboard accent wall. The chalkboard sheet is easily available in the market and is even cheaper than a wallpaper. All you have to do is paste the sheet on the wall, then decorate it with paintings and photo frames just as shown in these images. Chalkboard accent wall is a pretty new thing. Kids love to have such a wall in their room where they can scribble or pen down their imagination.
Number 7.
Number 7 is painted wood panels. This is definitely our favorite form of accent wall design. You can create this look just by fixing wood panels on the wall and paint the area in the darker shade or a warm shade depending on one's choice. You can select your favorite color from these popular choices, that is sunshine yellow or rich earth tones or shades of purple or blue or metallic blue. You can also choose vibrant greens or pastels or pink or deep red and classic black.
Number 8.
Number 8 is vinyl sheet wallpaper on accent wall. You may have heard of vinyl flooring a lot of times. The vinyl wallpaper is not something you will get easily in the market. One needs to get the vinyl sheet printed with their choice of design to use it as wallpaper. And one of the benefits of vinyl sheet wallpaper is that it is water resistant and long lasting. So this is it, and whatever is your style, think different and be creative. A feature wall reflects your personality, and the good thing is that you don't need a huge budget to create a beautiful look in your space with an accent wall. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.